The massive Colossus computer took up as much space as a room, reducing code-breaking time from weeks to hours. British intelligence agency GCHQ released never-before-seen images of Colossus, the secret British decryption computer that helped the Allies win World War II, the BBC reported on January 18. GCHQ released these images to celebrate the 80th anniversary of the invention of the Colossus, a device considered by many to be the first digital computer. The series of photos brings new information about the origin and operation of the computer. Colossus's existence was kept secret until the early 2000s. Technological innovation is always at the heart of our work at GCHQ, and Colossus is a perfect example of how our employees help us go leading the way in new technology even when we can't talk about it, said Keist Butler, director of GCHQ. Bletchleypark Castle, the British code-breaking centre, successfully cracked the Enigma code used by the Nazis. But in 1943, the Germans used a new and more complex cryptographic system called Lorenz. The messages took up to 8 weeks to decode by hand while the codes changed every night, requiring Britain to develop a new electronic computer system to break the Lorenz cipher quickly enough. British engineer Tommy Flowers spent 11 months designing and building the Colossus at Dollis Hill, northwest London. After testing and inspection, the Colossus Mark I version was shipped to Bletchleypark in December 1943. 1944. Here, the machine was installed by Harry Fensham and Don Horwood, then went into operation in early 1944. The original Colossus was equipped with about 1,600 valves. It was so effective that by the end of World War II, about 10 had been built, including the faster Mark II version with about 2,500 valves. It displaced equivalent to a living room with a height of more than 2 m, a length of about 5 m, and a width of 3.4 m. The machine weighs about 5 tons and uses 8 kilowatts of electricity, equipped with about 100 logic gates and 10,000 connection resistors by 7 kilometers of electric wire. Colossus helped speed up the solving of the complex Lorenz cipher from weeks to just a few hours. Historians say computers helped shorten the war. Colossus required a team of highly skilled operators and technicians for operation and maintenance. By the end of the war, 63 million characters in German high-level messages had been decoded by 550 people working on computers. After the war, 8 out of 10 computers were broken. Destroy. From a technical perspective, the Colossus was an important forerunner of the modern digital electronic computer. Among those who used the Colossus at Bletchleypark, many went on to become pioneers and leaders. Importance of the computer industry in the UK in the following decades, said Andrew Herbert, an expert at the British National Computer Museum.